it should be the state the reason of the arrest and inform the suspect of their rights. Like for example, sir, you're under arrest for three violations. You have you have the right to remain silent. It is a dismissal from the police faction, and the punishment is according to the state of law. First is give a clear warning to the civilian first, like example, sir, if you do not stop, I'll use my taser. No, sir. It's officers must use official police vehicle only, using for personal purposes. For police works, result is one reprimand. Um, Being rude, insults, or any intolerant behavior, the punishment is one reprimand. Is to provide evidence that the suspect had active violations before the arrest. Failure to do so, the result is one warning. Follow the order. Failing to obey lawful orders or breaking the chain of command result is one reprimand. Um, Act professionally and explain the reason of the arrest. Inform the suspect to of their rights and address them respectfully, like ma'am or sir. Thank you, sir.